Want to do 3D markups from anywhere on your SOLIDWORKS parts? Quickly go in and search using the 3D search on the 3D Experience cloud-based system. Open up your model and you're off to the races. You can quickly navigate and annotate your model with any leader note or 3D annotation that you can later drop into a task and open in SOLIDWORKS. Let's see how this works. Let's go ahead and add a task. We know we need to thicken this just by looking at it after one of the designers have created this basket for a paint sprayer. We can go in and add additional markups, very much like a presentation in PowerPoint. I can use redlining markups, cloud-based markups that are for annotating in all sorts of different ways. Once I create this markup, I can easily go in and with a one-button click, create a task and assign it to anybody, including myself, to go in and use it inside of SOLIDWORKS to understand what I'm going to do. Let's see how this works. If I push the Create Task button, it'll go ahead and automatically create a task and push all the information into that task that any user would need to go ahead and preview that task or that markup and go ahead and open the file. Let's see how this works. Refreshing my tasks inside of SOLIDWORKS. This task pane gives me the task that I just created. I can go in there and look at the markup that was created and preview it inside of my SOLIDWORKS. And then I can go ahead and perform whatever action that markup wanted by going ahead and dragging and dropping the file outside of the task markup. So no need to worry if I'm marking up the correct file or not. From here, it's as easy as going ahead and making the SOLIDWORKS change that you need in the markup. I can go ahead and look and see I already have the file locked, and I can go ahead and make that SOLIDWORKS change, save the data back to the cloud with a simple save click inside my 3D Experience Cloud Manager. And once saved or once completed, I can go right back inside the tasks inside my SOLIDWORKS and go ahead and tell it that that task is completed just by dragging and dropping that task over to my completed area.